Hello, I'm Rohit Agarwal. We are a joint family. We stay in Pune. This is a bungalow which my father and my uncle had built it around in the year of 1993. So it's almost 30 years old construction. And where primarily at that point of time we never thought we'll be requiring a lift at our house. After so many years and seeing the aging of my parents and all, there is a need of the lift in this house. When I saw the lift for the first time, my first question was, is this lift safe? Seeing to the other conventional lifts, the hydraulic lifts or the regular lifts. So when I had been to one of their offices and I saw the lift and they showed me every part of the safety, I was convinced with it. So it is really safe for the elders, for the children of the house. Yeah, absolutely safe. What I've seen is, I have a phobia of going inside a lift, Now first thing is, because of its transparent outer structure, which is into polycarbonate all, I don't feel suffocated, first thing. So I have I'm very comfortable going or using the lift. And whenever there is a failure of electricity and all, we don't need a battery backup or a generator backup. It has its own feature where it lands very safely at the nearest floor. So it is absolutely fine. Apart from that, you have a very good feature of calling. So like if I am worried if there is nobody at home and my mom is using the lift, there is a phone inside the lift where the SIM card is there and she can just call me right away, or anybody can come and rescue that thing. So that is absolutely great feature. Now when the need of lift arose, the major question was the civil changes required at our house, the outer structure, because the current design of the house didn't permit it to put the regular lift at our house. So we had many meetings with other lift companies where they came and they told us how exterior they will put one frame and they'll create a structure and then embed a lift in that. But I was not convinced with that. In Nibav, what happened is, this is a sort of a modular lift, a modular furniture. It is a modular lift. Very simple, very easy. The decision was very quick. When I saw the feature and when I saw the lift, I thought this is the right thing I want and this is the need my house requires. Without many alterations of civil work or digging many pits or many electrical things. Very simple, just we need to cut a hole in the slab and the lift is placed. And the team of Nibav has done it absolutely well, from ordering the lift, from the transportation of the lift, unloading of the lift and installation of the lift. It is absolute hassle-free experience with Nibav. If I talk about mobility, it worked a lot for my mother, for my chachi, because they had a problem in their knees. So there was a restriction of movement whenever they need to plan. अभी मैं ऊपर जाऊंगी, मैं lift use करूंगी. मैं ऊपर जाऊंगी, ये 4 काम करके आऊंगी. But now they don't have to think to go in their room or to access the first floor of the house. So that is very convenient. Life is very easy. And it has definitely added the aesthetic look of our, increased the aesthetic look of our house. If I say that popular line, it looks so beautiful, so amazing, just like a wow.
और सबसे बेस्ट पार्ट ये है कि इसका लुक ट्रेडिशनल नहीं होते हुए बहुत ही क्यूट लुक दिख रहा है. और सेफ्टी पार्ट से अगर हम सोचेंगे तो लाइट गई तो लिफ्ट अपने आप नीचे आके रुक जाती है, जिससे घर में कोई अकेली लेडीज़ हो, बच्चे लोग हो, तो भी कोई टेंशन वाली बात नहीं रहती है.
ये लिफ्ट बताई, ये मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी. और अभी मैं दिन में 4 टाइम जा सकती हूँ, 4 टाइम आ सकती हूँ. मुझे सोचना ही नहीं पड़ता है कि मैं जाऊँ नहीं जाऊँ. नहीं तो पहले एक टाइम नीचे आ जाती थी तो शाम को ऊपर जाती थी.
और देखने को सब लोग आए, गेस्ट वगैरह, तो उन्होंने सोचा ही नहीं कि तुम्हारे घर में लिफ्ट बैठी है. तो लिफ्ट देखकर उन्होंने सोचा कि अरे ये जगह लिफ्ट के लिए खास बनाई है आपने. और एक स्क्रू नहीं, एक कुछ नहीं करना पड़ा. ऐसे 5 स्टार होटल में लिफ्ट बैठी वैसे ही तुम्हारे घर में लिफ्ट बैठी है, ऐसा उन्होंने हमको बोला.